Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I am sharing with you how to cook the most delicious Ogbono soup. I'll be using cow meat, snails, cow skin, stockfish, dried fish. I'll start by adding salt to the stockfish. Add hot water. I'll leave the stockfish to soak for some hours. You can soak it overnight as well. This will help to cut down the cooking time. To the dried fish, I'll add salt, hot water. I'll soak the dried fish for about 10 minutes. I'll clean it up, take out all the bones and set that aside. In a clean pot, I'll add the cow meat, cow skin, stockfish. I'll season with onions, dried pepper, salt, season cubes, I'll add a little bit of water and stir. I'll leave the meat to steam cook on a medium heat for 15 minutes. I'm also using season cube, dried pepper, crayfish, uziza seeds, locust beans. After 15 minutes, I'll add washed snails. Add enough water to cook the soup. Add the locust beans, grounded crayfish, uziza seeds, dried pepper, season cubes. Stir. Cover and leave the meat to cook until they're about 80% done. Here I have the ogbono seed I'll be using. I'll transfer the ogbono into a dry grinder. I'll cover and grind the ogbono. That is done. I'll add heated red palm oil to the ogbono. The hot oil is going to help to melt the ogbono. Stir until they are well combined. Another way to melt the ogbono is to add room temperature oil and place the bowl inside the pot where you're cooking the meat. The meat is almost ready. I'll add the dried fish and stir. Add the mixed ogbono. Stir. Keep stirring it and then the ogbono will start to draw. If the soup is too thick, add hot water. I'll leave the soup to cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium heat. After 15 minutes, I'll stir. You can taste, adjust the season if needed. If you want to add vegetables, you can add it at this point. I'm not adding vegetable to mine. This is how we're going to be enjoying it. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. And the ogbono soup is ready. I will turn off the stove and I will serve. You can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. And this ogbono soup was super delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video.